Hey everybody, soybean farmer. January 1st, year 2020. Well, we're out here going to try to finish up the 6-acre field today. And I'm standing down here at the low corner. Cousin's in the combine. He's made one pass climbing up this hill and he didn't sink in. And now he's up there testing through what's traditionally a horrible wet spot. Now, the game plan here is he needs to make 3 passes up that hill. First pass will be the most difficult one, and right now he's crawling along, which is good. I'm thinking if he makes the first pass, the next 2 are doable. But we need to open that end of the field up so we got turnaround room. There's still about, I'm guessing, 5 acres left out here in this field to do. And hopefully, Cousin will be able to knock it out today. And the reason I'm saying Cousin knock it out, I gotta go to work. Today's January 1st, New Year's Day. It's a holiday. Store's open. Expect there'll be a lot of people up there. But as I'm walking by here, you can see it's a nice stand of beans. Not the prettiest on the farm because the weeds got in it pretty bad right down through here. And what I'm headed up here to show you, I'll give you a little close-up here. That's fairly decent. And there's another one. They've been in the field too long. Should have come out back in November, but wasn't doable. And he's already made it through the spot that we're most concerned about. Up here in this area right here, and I'm getting some wind in this microphone, I'm trying to cup it off. This is the ryegrass that we planted in here. There was nematodes, serious nematodes in this spot right in here. And it kind of hooked out over in there. I did the soil test looking for them and they showed up positive in a very positive way. So I came in here and took the disc. No, Cousin came in here and took the disc. I was at work and cut it up, and then on a day off I got it planted. But he's climbing up the hill. He's gonna make it. Where is he? It's hard to film with the sun in your eyes. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's already at the top of the hill, starting over the knoll, headed down the other side. And what we're doing is I'm hanging around here until he gets that end of the field opened up. And we're thinking the rest of this, he's going to be able to just roll right through it. I'm thinking probably about 3 hoppers. It's probably 100 bushels, 110 bushels left out here in the field. But let's roll over there to the other side and see what's got going on over there. I'm not going to be able to get a lot of video today, and I really hate that. That's, you get right to the, what my channel's about is soybeans. And, to me, the best videos are harvesting the beans. But I can't be here, so can't make video. I'll ask Cousin to shoot some clips with his phone and put them up on his channel, and I'll put the link up again and direct y'all over there to see what he shoots. I'm just hoping we got a blue sky kind of day here. Got a nice breeze, nice wind. A little bit of cloud over there. Yesterday was gorgeous. Got a lot of dry down yesterday. So I'm really hoping he can finish this up today. We got out here early. It's 11:25. I've picked this field of beans by myself years ago. Took about 4 hours. And there's some of this already picked where last time we were out after dark. I think we picked about maybe 3/4 of an acre or an acre right up there. He went down behind the hill up there, turned around, he's coming back. Yeah, I don't see any problem. I believe he's going to be able to roll right on through that wet spot picking beans out here today. The rest of this field is pretty dried out. So I think he's gonna be able to get across here and pick some beans. I was sitting over on the other side of the field where you can't see what was going on. I heard the combine throttle down and I ran over here going, uh-oh, he got stuck. But nope, he's doing the smart farmer thing. He's checking to make sure his fan speed is not too fast. He's looking at the number of beans on the ground. And I'm looking too, and I see very, very few cousins.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I mean, these are.
No, that's cool. Yeah, I said, no, man, he ain't stuck over there.
Speak not the word.
It's solid.
Yeah.
You done crawl across the wettest part of the field. That right out there, you remember where you crawled up and down the hill?
Yeah.
But you've been, the other night, you were going back and forth across that, and you didn't need to go crack.
No.
So I think you're going to roll.
Okay.
I think you're going to roll.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Yeah,
we talked about the other night when we was over yonder, we had a lot of beans that were, you know, on the ground, so we talked about the fan adjustment.
Yeah.
I went through the thick beans thinking that when I go through the thick beans, I can see what's on the ground. It's not that bad, so I'm not going to worry about it.
No, it's not bad at all.
So I think we'll be fine, so I'm going to go through whippy whip and go that way.
All right. Listen, I got to go.
Okay.
I think you got through the worst of it on what we were thinking about being a wet spot.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well,
thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. It was my pleasure.
Well, I sure appreciate you, man. I just want you to know that I appreciate you.
Well, I appreciate you.
Hey, you know, you get to rolling along, pull out your phone, shoot a little video, talk about what you're doing and all. I'll put a link on my channel to it, and everybody come over there and watch, get a cab view.
Okay. I'll do it a little bit. I'm going to get all this organized first.
Yeah, get things where you're rolling.
It's a lot easier filming that down than it is over here.
Oh yeah, going down that side road, watch out for them stinking fire ants. They like to get right out there on the side out there.
Bull ants.
Yeah, them damn things, I hate them. And there was one big giant one out there I was talking about the other day.
Yeah.
But you got it all, man. I'll see you tonight when I get home.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a happy day at work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You have a fun day here on the farm.
I am.
You do that and everything will be cool.
Yeah, I know good Lord's blessings, we get this done.
Yes.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Well.
As you say in Bronx, all sure know.
Yeah, like I said, I was sitting over there on the other side of the knoll and I heard him throttle down. And I went, no, he didn't come off over here and get stuck. But he was doing exactly what the smart farmer does, checking to see if the fan was set too fast and blowing beans out the back of the combine. That's like throwing your money out the back of the combine. And that's all controlled by the fan. If the fan's too fast, you're going to blow them out. If it's not fast enough, you're going to get docked for foreign matter. Well, I'm glad I ran over here to find out. I wasn't going to let it sit over here and be stuck. That's why I hung around a little bit longer. I think I'm fixing to get wrapped up in dust, but I got to go take a... We'll watch him get started here. Yeah, fortunately the wind's blowing the other way. There's a bunch of weeds where he's going in right there that are laid over, and it's really matted in that spot. I talked about just picking up the head and going over it, but that man don't leave no money laying in the field. You gotta love that about a combine operator that says, yeah, see that coming out the back? A bunch of weed matter. But he's just about past that weed spot. Yeah, he's gonna be fine. Well, this is a view from the back corner. He got 3 passes on the edge of this field, so he's got plenty of room to turn around. And the game plan now is to run back and forth the long way. And I gotta go to work. Well, God bless each and every one of y'all, and y'all have a nice day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.